Hello friends, welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College, Pune. Standard 8, Mathematics. Lesson 6, Factorization of Algebraic Expressions. Practice set 6.1. Hello students, let us start with Standard 8, Maths, Chapter 6, Factorization of Algebraic Expressions. Practice set 6.1. Question number 1 says, factorize. First one, let us see, x squared plus 9x plus 18. Now, this is a quadratic trinomial and we are going to find out the factors. To find factors, we know that we have to find the factors of the constant. When we find the product of the coefficient of the first term and the constant term. When we find the factors, we should find factors in such a way that the sum of the factors should be equal to the coefficient of the first middle term, and when we multiply, the product should be equal to the constant term. Okay, let us find here. We are going to find the factors of 18. So 18, I need to find two factors that will be plus 9 when added up. So let me see which two numbers or which two factors can add, when added, becomes plus 9. So one is 6, the other is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. I know very well. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. And so I get the middle term coefficient, as well as when I multiply 6 3s are 18. So I get the constant term 18, which is the product of the coefficient of the first term or the square term and the constant. So let me just solve and find factors now. So next step, x squared plus 9x plus 18 is equal to x squared plus 9x should be now written as 6 plus 3 into x, multiplying it by x plus 6 into 3. 6 3s are 18, of course. That is equal to, let me remove the brackets, x squared plus 6 into x is 6x plus 3x plus 6 3s are 18. Now divide the 4 terms into two groups of 2 terms each. That is equal to, take the common terms outside the bracket, x into x plus 6. Now the second group, let us take it, plus 3 into x plus 3, 6 are 18. So let me write 6 here. So it is 3 into x plus 6. Now taking the common factors together, x plus 6 and the remaining is x plus 3. Therefore, I get the factors of x squared plus 9x plus 18 is equal to x plus 6 and x plus 3. That is the answer. Yes, let us factorize the second trinomial next. X squared minus 10x plus 9. Here we are going to first find the product of the constant term and the coefficient of the first term. Here first term is x squared, and if there is no number in the coefficients place, we know that it is always equal to 1. So when we multiply 9 ones are 9, so we have to find out the factors for the number 9. I have to find out two such factors by which I can find out the factors of this trinomial. For that, I need to find out those two factors in such a way that the numbers, if multiplied, should be equal to plus 9, which is in the constant place, and if the sum of which should be equal to minus 10, which is the coefficient of the middle term. So let me see which two factors can I take. I can take 9 and 1. I know 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, but I have minus 10 as the coefficient of the middle term. So I have to consider minus sign, minus 9 and minus 1. I know minus 9 plus minus 1 is equal to minus 10, which is equal to the coefficient of the middle term. Now let me see. Minus 9 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to 9. Minus into minus is plus. So I have also got the constant term 9 when I multiply the factors. So both my factors that I chose are correct. So let me now find out the factors. Factorize x square minus 10x plus 9. So here x square minus, I am going to use these two factors. So it is going to be minus 9. I am multiplying each one with an x minus 9x minus 1x plus 9. So that is equal to x square x into x minus 9. As I take the common term, considering the first two terms of all these four terms as a group. I have grouped now x square minus 9x as x as a common term. I take it outside the bracket into x minus 9. Okay, now let us try to find out the second one. Here, because it is minus sign, let me write minus sign. Minus 1 into x minus 1 in minus into plus will be minus 1x as this plus sign. Should I take plus sign? No, I have to take plus sign, but outside the bracket it is minus. So minus into minus will be plus. So I am going to use minus sign here into minus 9. Right? Now let me take out the common factors. X minus 9 and x minus 1. Therefore, the factors of x squared minus 10x plus 9 are x minus 9 and x minus 1. Let us see how to factorize the third one now. Y squared plus 24y plus 144. Oh, the constant is a big term. Doesn't matter. Let us find out 144 multiplied by the coefficient of the first term, the square term. Here it is y square, that means it is 1y square. So let us start. 44 into 1. Multiply 144 into 1 is equal to 144. So let us find out the factors for 144 in such a way that I have to find the factors that sum up to 24, which is the middle term coefficient of the middle term, and when I multiply those factors, I should get 144. Let us see which are those terms. I know 12 12s are 144. Can I take these two factors? Of course, 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. Fine. I have 24y plus 24. So I can take up these numbers. Whereas 12 multiplied by 12 is equal to 144. So I get the constant term 144, the product of the constant term and the coefficient of the first term 144. So let us now take these two terms together. That is equal to, so y squared plus 24y plus 144. We are going to find out the factors. Let us see. y square plus 24y should be split into 12 and 12 multiplied by y. So 12y plus 12y. So 12 plus 12 is 24. The same variable y I am using here. So here we are going to just add these two terms so that I get the middle term. Okay. So 12y plus 12y plus, of course 12 into 12 is 144. That is equal to, now we are doing it directly. Let me take first two terms and the second two terms as two roots and then start finding out the factors. So y square plus 12y, let me take the common term. The common term is y. Open the bracket, open bracket, y into y is y square, so y plus 12. So y into y plus 12. Next is plus sign. Let me take the next two group of terms, 12y plus 144. Here, let me take the common number because I don't have y over here. So let me take the number 12 and 144, of course, are multiples. So let me take common 12 into y plus 12. 12s are 144. So I have taken it 12 over here. That is equal to, let me take the common together as one factor. So y plus 12 is one factor. Remaining y plus 12 is the second factor. So I have factorized y square plus 24y plus 44. I got two factors, y plus 12 and y plus 12. So therefore the factors of y square plus 24y plus 144 are y plus 12 into and y plus 12. We are going to solve the fourth one in the next module or next coming video. Thank you.